What's up guys, welcome back. So I've got a great new add-on for you guys. It's called Off the Wall. It's by the Falcon team. Guys, it's a great add-on for movies. It's new, old, there's kids, there's 3D, there's box sets. Guys, this is a quick review on this unit. I won't be actually playing any content. So you got my picks, you've got new movies, you've got all movies from A to Z, you've got IMDb top 1000 movies, you've got box sets, we've got 3D movies, we've got kids, and we've got top 10. So guys, it's a great add-on. There's a tons of content in here and it works quite well. It scrapes a lot of sources, so you can try different sources from different servers to see how they actually work for you. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments down below. One more thing guys, always use a VPN. Remember, some of these sources are torrents, so to stop ISPs or anybody monitoring your internet activity, a VPN is required. I will leave a link in the description for one of the best VPNs, and that will be ipvanish. So if we click on new movies, guys, you can use this add-on on a Fire Stick or Android box. However, the link that I'm going to leave to you, you'll need to download the zip file, and using that zip file you'll need to do the installation process. As you see guys, there's tons of content, new, old, and it's only based on movies guys. So it goes right down. There's 127 files here, so I'm not going to actually go through it. I'm just going to go back out. As I said guys, it's a quick tutorial. It's nothing major. However, I would like you guys to test this add-on out and let me know what you think about it. I've tried quite a few links and they do work. It also depends on where you are. So if you are geo restricted, using that VPN will help you out. Let's try your box sets. And guys, thanks to those that are subscribing. Currently I'm only a month-old channel and I'm growing rapidly, so I take it that I'm bringing you some good content. But once again, you guys leave your comments down below what I can improve on and how I can give you this streaming experience. As we all know, Kodi is under a lot of attack, so we may not even be longer on YouTube giving you these add-ons. We may be taken down. So guys, give us your support and try to help us out by hitting that subscribe tab, hitting that notification bell. As you see guys, there's tons of content. There's 280 folders here, so I'm sure they're all box sets which you guys can test out and try out for yourself. So guys, it's quite a good add-on. Let's get down to actually installing it. I'm not going to show you how it actually works because you guys are going to try it out and comment down below. So we're going to go back out. Right, so guys, before we actually install this, I'm just going to go one more time back out to the main menu. Right guys, it's quite simple, it's quite easy. So you need a browser to actually download the file. So if using a PC, it's quite easy. You can just enter this URL, which I'll leave in the description, with a VPN as well. So this is the URL guys. You can pause the screen if you want to take it down, or click the link in the description. If you're using a Fire Stick, you just enter this URL in your Fire Stick and it'll start to download the zip file to your device. Android box, same process. You can use a downloader, which you can get from my previous videos, or you can use your normal browser if you have one. So once you click on this guys, it's going to take you directly to a download page, which you'll need to download the zip file. As we see guys, it comes up right here. We've got the download tab here. If we click on the download tab, it's quite a small file and it'll start to actually download for you. As we see guys, it's 1.491 kilobytes, which is very small. It should download instantly. You shouldn't have any issues. So as we see guys, the file has already been downloaded. So you can go back into Kodi. You can go into, click on add-ons. You'll click on the box in the top left corner. You'll click on install from zip file. You'll click on C drive, or whichever drive you have guys. You'll click on that and wherever the file has been downloaded to. So for me, I'm using a PC, so I'll click on PC and I'll get to my downloads folder. If I go right down, I've got the plugin video off the wall. As you see, I have two of these guys because that's the first one, and I've downloaded the second one now. So if I click on that, you'll wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right corner. It shouldn't take long as it's using your normal speed of your Android device. As you see, it's updated. You don't need to install from repository. You can just go out of Kodi and go into your add-ons. So if you go into add-ons, automatically it should appear here, guys. It's a great add-on. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And guys, certain links use OpenLoad paying services. You will need to go in, for example, the OpenLoad website, pay your device up for 4 hours, and be able to view your content directly. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next upload.